Hi, there are many interesting ways how you can take screenshot on your Honor Magic 7 Lite. Let me show you all of them. So, the most interesting and unusual ways I'm going to show you at the end, so continue watching this video. Let's start with default way, which is pressing and holding power button and volume down buttons at the same time. Let's do it again. Press and release. And now screenshot is taken. So you can tap it to select, and then you can crop it. Here you can change its form. You can also draw something on the screenshot. You can share it to any social media, or you can use nearby share feature, for example. You can delete it and save to gallery, of course. So let's save it to gallery. Another way how you can take a screenshot is by swiping down from the upper right corner to trigger control sensor. And here, swipe this panel down once more and you will see this feature screenshot with like scissors icon. Just tap it, and once you tapped it, screenshot will be taken just in a few seconds. You can open any app and try to take a screenshot, and as you can see, it's working. Another way how you can take a screenshot is by swiping 3 fingers down, just like that, from the top down, and screenshot is taken as well. And now I'm gonna show you more interesting option. For that, you need to tap twice on the screen with your knuckles, just like that. And as you can see, screenshot is taken. And now let's talk about partial screenshots. So to take a partial screenshot, knock once with your knuckle on the screen and draw an enclosed area to capture part of the screen. Let's try this out. Knock and draw. And yes, it's working. So here you can resize it. From custom form, you can switch to any other, for example, heart, like that. And now let me save it to gallery. Now let's talk about scrolling screenshot. So basically we need to knock and draw an S to take a scrolling screenshot. But as a first step, we need to open any app in which we can scroll, or for example, any web page. So, but please note that the scroll function is not available during calls, when always on display zone, or in landscape mode. And scrolling will automatically stop if the limit is reached or the screen reaches the end of the page. And now let's try this out. So we need to knock and draw an S to take a scrolling screenshot. Knock and draw an S. And now it should automatically take scrolling screenshot. As you can see, everything is working. And now we need to touch scrolling area to end. So let's do it. And this is how the screenshot will look in your case as well. So basically we can capture the whole page, which is just amazing. Let's save it to gallery and I'm going to show you all of the results. So let me just agree with some permissions. And yep, here we go. So this one is usual screenshot, default one. This is partial screenshot, and that is scrolling screenshot. So basically you can see everything on the screen. If something does not work in your case, so you cannot knock with your knuckle to take a screenshot, then open settings, use storage settings and enter knuckles. And after that, simply pick this option knuckle screenshots and you'll see this tutorial how to use it. And also you can enable it from here. So you would need to tap on the switcher and it will light up blue and knuckle screenshots would be enabled. And also as for the 3-finger swipe down, You can switch from Take Screenshot to Global Favorites, for example. Now you can swipe 3 fingers down, and this screenshot will appear in Favorites space, which you can find if you drag this line on the right side left like that. And now you can tap and check your screenshots in this favorite space. You can also press and hold them, and here tap more and then choose to delete. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.